Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to replace grout. Let me show you how it's done. Over time, grout can become discolored and break apart. There are a couple of options for grout. For this video, we're going to use a pre-mixed container versus the powder form. When grouting a floor, you want to start at the furthest point from the door and work your way towards that door. This way you don't get stuck in a corner. To get yourself comfortable with the grout mixture, I suggest putting a small amount on the floor and then work your way up to more once you're more comfortable. We're using a putty knife here for placement purposes, so we're controlling the amount of grout we take out of the container. With the grout placed on the tile, you'll use a grout float to work the grout between the tiles. Move the float back and forth at a 45-degree angle in order to work it into the spaces between the tiles. Spread the material between the area, filling them in completely with some gentle pressure. Don't worry about getting the grout on the tile. It'll come off in the cleanup step of this project. Work your way towards the door with the same technique. Check the dry time of your grout, which should only be a few minutes as it hardens. It's now time to wipe down the tiles. For this, you'll use water and a large damp sponge. Wring out the sponge so you're not bringing too much water to the wiping down process. In a circular motion, very lightly wipe down the newly created grout line. It's okay if you notice the sponge has picked up little amounts of the grout. Just clean off the sponge and wring it out back in your container. Wipe it again to remove any powdery residue that may be on the tile, and then take care for the next 24 to 48 hours. You can clean the floor completely using the regular cleaners that you use after probably 2 to 3 days. And if you decide to seal it, you can apply the sealer after about a week. After the grout is installed and the initial wiping is complete, you want to stay off that floor for at least 12 hours. And that's it. If you need more information, stop by your local Ace Hardware store. You can visit our website, acehardware.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Ace is the helpful place.